See right there? Tilapia on the bed. See the round, deep, small bed. Now tell me I can't spear that fish if I had my spear. Tell me. Alright, Dino got a new boat. It's got my motor on it.
We're twins now. I've had the boat for 2 days now. And yeah, we'll figure out how good she really does, you know?
Yeah, that's sweet.
I guess it's a 94 Pro Sport. From what I can tell, there's almost no wood in the hull. Maybe a few hatches.
Let's see the power head.
Yeah, this is the
yeah,
left,
nice boat, man. San Carlos Marine.
Yeah, hopefully they did a good job on it.
Where the hell are they at?
I have no idea.
Probably in San Carlos.
South
Yeah, she's a little bit rougher than mine.
I know.
Not much. The guy that sent me these parts, 89. And this is exactly what I swapped out on mine. What was here was this long pin with a spring on it. And every other time I saw a picture of it, the spring was really relaxed. But on mine, the spring was always forced together. Yeah. Like this was in the wrong position or something. I couldn't figure it out. So I said, I don't want that spring shit, because these, for the spring, are obsolete. And the only way you can get them is the 3D printing. So I put the straight bar on mine. I used this cam, because it because it has the adjustment right here. Before I had to pop it off and turn it. And I was always afraid it was going to break. So I swapped all that crap out. I don't have to worry about that stupid spring. And these you can get forever. You know, there's 50 million of those around.
So they changed, I guess, the design of this, what, 90, I guess 91, something.
Yeah, they do stuff like every 10 years or so.
Stupid, yeah.
So that was a nice boat he got there. Dang, pretty little thing. See how that motor does? You like to stand up, don't you?
Saw that thing was, I mean, it was fuel. You just go.
Yeah, man, that's a nice little boat. Well, you said it was 16, right?
16 foot? Yeah.
Well, let me get this baby warmed up. Where'd he go? Still sitting there. Oh man, that was fun. Dino just took off. Just hung out, went to grills, got lunch. Some bears. Blah, 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 blah. The boat is real nice. The motor's gonna be fine. It's got a couple of little issues. It's got to do a little cleanup on it, and this and that, and a little bit of that, and a little bit of this and that, and this and that. Should be fine. Thing hauls ass. So this set works. I'm happy with it. You know, I don't know if I'll be opening this thing up full throttle on this boat. It's still a little spooky. Maybe if I get a little bit of weight in it up front. Definitely gonna need a little bit of weight, no matter what. Watch out, birdie! So these are the plates I'm talking about. I'd say they gotta be at least 25 pounds a piece. I mean, it's just, try to pick 2 of these up. It's ridiculous. I only brought 2, I've got 4. Let's see what happens with just 2. So there they are. That's about 50 pounds. They'd fit real nice right up there. I put them back here so they slide down. You know, if I put a floor in this thing, how much is that going to weigh? You know what I mean? Gotta have something a little at a time. Let's let this thing warm up. I can feel weights up there, and I'm on the bottom pin. Well, I can feel that a little bit of wind, and this thing wants to go like this on me without me doing that. I don't know if I'll ever get this thing up full throttle. See, if I go up one more pin pole, the bow will lift a little bit higher. Oh, I just ran through some thick weeds. Keep forgetting they're there. I'm sure I got weeds all over this thing. Yeah, you hear that? It's amazing how they design this thing to do that. Yeah, it feels a little more solid with that 50 pounds up there. Yeah, look at the chop over here. Let me get out of here. Man, I'm holding on. Pushing me. Look at the waves. 'Wasn't too bad for as bad as it is. A 14-foot hollow boat. Man. So the trim tabs are definitely working, taking care of the porpoising at high speed. The extra weight up there is probably going to be a good thing. And then little by little, you know, I could throw a floor in here. I really didn't want to do all that. I really didn't want to just keep adding more and more weight. I think those weights will work. I'll get the battery up front. And it's not going to be every motor. It's not going to have a battery. Every motor is not going to be this heavy. Oh yeah, it's a beast. I'd rather have the camera on a tripod so I can hold on to the rail. Like Tracy does when he drives that damn Boston Whaler around. You know, I'm not going to do it today, but I'll throw those other two in there, the weights, just to see if, you know, if it steadies me out. This thing with it, where it feels like the ass end is like sliding. I know it can't be with that much motor in the water, but man, it feels like I'm slipping and sliding. It's spooky. I can't wait to get it everything where it feels good and get me full throttle on this thing. Better too, the way I have this now. And I built a console to put up here so I can lay the camera on it, and you know, everything, you know, it's a little bit big. I think I'm gonna cut it down a little bit. Yeah, I'll get used to running this puppy around. So that looks like it. My only little strip of clear water I can have some fun on today. Alright, I'm gonna cut this off for a minute or two, I think. And hold on to the side and do some runs and see how I do. Wow, man, she rips. Freaking rips. I went all the way down the grills, turned around, ripped it all the way back. Alright, I got 4 of these puppies in here. And they ain't light, baby. I tell you what. Man, this thing's been running so great. Today, pain in the ass. Look at it. It was spitting and sputtering and everything. Well, I can feel the extra weight. Oh yeah. See, that front end didn't move. I think I'm on the bottom pin. Look at all the bait fish jumping around. This thing's feeling like it's vibrating today too. What the hell is going on? Oh, what was that? I think it was a boat ladder or something. Why is this thing sputtering on me? Come on, look at it. Is it this or what the hell is going on? It's running so great. Let's go. Extra plates in up there, what a difference. Now that was almost full throttle. I didn't feel the back end doing that slide thing with the weight up there. It's perfect. I can't believe it. What pin am I on? I'm either on the bottom or the next one up. All the way on the bottom. The next one up will give the front a little more lift. Wonder how fast that was. I've got the 13-pitch prop on here. Boy, that felt good. It's fun when you're ripping it. Let's try a GPS run. Let me get set up. This thing has stopped missing on me. What's going on, honey? I can even feel the floor vibrate. I got a little screwdriver. I'll adjust that carburetor again. I got to be able to see this thing, so I got this all cocked up like that. Let's see what I can see. All right. See? What's the matter, sweetheart? Listen, the whole boat is rattling. Take that hood off and adjust that slow speed. full throttle yet. The motor bucked a couple of times. Oh my God. All right, I came over to this side. It's all glass, going with the wind. Try this again. I need something to prop this thing up. I can't see that screen in the sun. What the hell can I use? It's not going to blow it out. I have to bring some tape with me or something to do this. Man, listen, the whole boat is rattling. Hear it? Missing? Man, we were running like a champ last time. Look at this. See that puddle back there? That's all gas. What is going on? Here, let me rinse this thing out before we blow up. I ain't doing this, so what am I going to do? I think that's most of it. Let's see what happens here. I think I'm going to just head back over there, give this a minute to dry up. I left over there and I was running nice smooth, and then I hit the gas, man, and it started bucking again. Looks like it's filling up back there, I guess with more fuel coming from somewhere. I think I can see it. It's coming out of that, coming out of the pump there. See it all leaking out? Look at it. Now see, is that fuel? I've been pouring water back there too, as I was idling along, filling this thing up and dumping it in. This battery's about to go. No, that's just water I was dumping in, but you could see it was all wet here, and I could see like smoke coming out, like, you know, a mist kind of coming out around the sides of this thing. I don't know if it was probably shooting out through the gasket or what. That's where I'm gonna, yep, phew, that's where I'm gonna guess everything's coming from. Oh man, what a pain in the butt.
Don't forget to subscribe.